never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Mother's Day DIY. And what I like about these DIYs is that they can be Mother's Day gifts, or you can use them for everyday decor. Well, most of them. It's going to be super simple, fun, and different than your typical Mother's Day gifts that I would have made before. And these are definitely going to be Mother's Day gifts that don't suck. If this is your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. You guys, I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So the first DIY that I'm going to share with you guys is this really cute message board, and it's a perfect Mother's Day gift, or you can use it for your everyday decor and personalize it with whatever wording that you want. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to go ahead and start out with some wooden blocks. One pack comes with 36 pieces, so you'll need a little bit more than one pack. So the top row is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then right at the end, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And below this one, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then by this one, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We were young and drunk in love. A few years later, I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes.
Alright, so I'm gonna take some paints here. I'm using deep brown from Dollar Tree and then the Craft Smart in Flesh. And then I did add a little bit of water.
But you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night.
Alright, so while those dry, I'm going to go ahead and glue these two pieces of foam board together. And then with my X-Acto knife and my L ruler, or whatever this is called, I'm going to make some lines on here. I'm going to cut through the first layer of foam board only. I'm just gonna go in each cut and just make it a little bit deeper.
Has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own.
Alright, so that actually fits perfectly. It's nice and flush on both sides, and unless you really try to push it out, it's not going to come out. So I might just put a little tiny bit of hot glue in the cracks just so it doesn't like slide out at all.
'Cause you're here to stay every night and day.
They actually used to carry some of these message boards at Dollar Tree, but I have not seen them in a while. So I actually ordered this big pack through Amazon, which I will link below. And then I also have 2 different message boards that I made like this. One that's actually pretty big that I will link down below for you guys to check out.
Slipping out the back door. But it's not what you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm hand, in the sun, it's already begun.
For the second DIY, I'm going to be making this floral hanging. I don't really know what you would call this. It's a floral hanging arrangement, I guess. I think it's super, super cute. And, you know, real flowers do wilt and die, and fake flowers are forever. All right, for this one, I'm going to be using one of these Dollar Tree. I used it as a decorative towel. I don't know if this is like a mat or a placemat. I don't know exactly what this is, but it's nice and thick. And I really like the look of it. I'm gonna take 3 dowels like this, and I'm gonna leave about, I don't know, maybe an inch and a half.
Everybody couldn't make a wrong turn. You waver and slip and you get burned. But I'm here, so don't you worry. 'Cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm hands, in the sun, it's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at all.
And so the reason I put these dowels down here is so that it keeps its shape, and then also so that it kind of weighs it down a little bit.
In the sun, it's already begun. You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all.
I'm gonna take some of this Dollar Tree cotton twine, and I cut about 5 pieces. No, it's actually 5 pieces that are about 2 feet long or so. So I'm gonna do 1 set for one side and then 1 set for the other.
It's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, second chance. We don't need to worry at all.
Gently so it doesn't come apart. I'm gonna slide it out, sorry, and then slide it this way. Okay, so now you can take your 2 ends together, loop it over my fingers, and then back in. And that's gonna make the loop from where you're gonna hang it. All right, so I would actually recommend hanging this before you put the flowers in, just so you could adjust them really nicely. So this does look a little bit flat. What I would do is either add floral moss if this is gonna be a gift. If I were to keep it, I would put like newspaper, tissue paper, but since I don't have any of that at hand right now, I'm just gonna use some bags just to fluff it up, okay? So this is purposely only for the video. Again, if it's gonna be a gift, you don't want this sound inside of this when you gift it. So yeah, put something nicer.
All alone again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, then all the lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, 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 I'm breathing in.
So for this one, I'm gonna be using one of these little candy dishes or trifle dishes from Dollar Tree. It's just a nice plastic. And then I also have some spray paint. This is like a rose gold.
I'm breathing out. So here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it.
So I'm gonna take these little wooden letters, and these are actually from Walmart. I was going to spell out mom, and I don't have an O, so I'm gonna spell mama, because, you know, I'm Mexican, so it goes. I also have these little beads that are from Dollar Tree, and they come in this pack. And I'm just gonna leave it pink. You know, you guys can change it up if you'd like.
Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out.
And it is kind of thick, so I'm gonna use this little Dollar Tree tool to kind of thread it into the bead. Once I get to that end, I'm gonna tie a knot.
We're breathing in.
And then another knot on the other end. All right, so right at the end of that knot, I'm gonna glue the A.
We're breathing out.
And then I'm gonna do another knot right there on the end of the A, and so forth. So I'm gonna make a little tassel.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment. you saw it coming. Oh, bye.
For the last DIY, I will be sharing this hanging planter. And I think it's super, super cute. It's actually, it kind of does have a neutral look to it also. Again, not just perfect for a Mother's Day gift, but also your everyday decor, just changing up the flowers or whatever it is that you want for the season. So for this one, I'm going to be using one of these Dollar Tree bamboo cutting boards. I actually decided to make the holes just a little bit bigger than I did previously. And then I have this decorative nautical rope from Dollar Tree, which is newer to Dollar Tree. And it does come in strands. So I'm going to go ahead and take that apart and then just use one of the strands to feed through here. All right, so that this doesn't fall apart, I went ahead and put a little bit of floral tape right there so that it can go in there easily without me struggling and all the yarn coming apart. All right, so I'm just gonna grab those ends together and then make a knot.
It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na, na, na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me.
So I have these little terracotta pots that are from a previous DIY that I painted white, and then the trim is silver. And just so these don't fall off, I am gonna put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom to have them stick.
But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na, na, na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know.
So I also have all these little flowers that I bought at Goodwill.
But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na, na, na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I.
So you guys, I had a lot of fun making these DIYs. It's a little bit different than the usual stuff that I made, and I think these are all beautiful. My favorite was the message board, and actually this one also. You guys let me know in the comments down below which one of these DIYs was your favorite. It's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling.